We want to differentiate the following. The first one is y is the cube root of x. Now, what we need to do in order to do this is use our knowledge of indices to write that as x to the power of 1/3. And then essentially there's no difference. We know if y is equal to ax to the n, then dy dx is n times a, and then multiply that by x to the n minus 1, so the power reduces by 1. So here, the 1/3 will come down in front and multiply, and then we reduce the power by 1, and 1/3 take away 1 is negative 2/3. Again, using index laws, we should know that this is x to the 5/2. So dy dx will be 5/2. X to the 5/2 take away 1. So that's 5/2 take away 2/2, giving us 3/2. Now here we have a bit more rearranging to do. There's several ways you can do this. One way is to split the fraction. So we'll say that's x squared over x to the half. And then we'll have x over x to the half. And then we'll have 1 over x to the half. So that gives us, remember we subtract indices here, x to the 3/2, add x to the half, add x to the negative a half, and so dy dx would be 3/2 x to the half plus a half x to the negative a half, take away a half x to the negative 3/2. Now when a question is given to you in radical form, you should really write the answer back that way. So this one here would be 1 over 3 multiplied by the cube root of x squared. And from indices laws you should know how all of that works. The negative puts it on the bottom, and the 2 here means the x is squared, and the 3 on the bottom means it's a cube root. With this one here, there's no negatives, so the x to the 3/2 is on the top, so we're going to have 5, and it will be the square root of x cubed, the square root because of the 2 here, and the cube because the 3 is on the top of this fraction, over 2. And then over here we're going to have 3 root x over 2. The negative here is going to put the root on the bottom, so we're going to have 1 over 2 root x. And then here, again the negative means it goes onto the bottom, and the 2 is already there. And then we've got the square root of x cubed.